When you're hiring a personal injury attorney, you need to think in terms of fees and expenses. Just like when you're paying a mechanic to work on your car, you would think about labor and parts. The expenses are the parts. That's what we're paying out to get things like medical records, police reports, that type of thing. Whereas the fees are the money that you're paying for our time, for our services. If you're hiring a personal injury attorney, the cost depends very much on the type of case, but the fee is going to be pretty similar regardless of what kind of personal injury case it is. Your fee is going to be a percentage of the total amount of your recovery. So what the personal injury attorney is telling you is that you don't have to come up with any money out of pocket, but that you can guarantee a certain percentage of the total settlement is going to go to the attorney for their labor and time. That means that the attorney has the same incentive you do, which is to get as much money as possible for the case, because that way both you and the personal injury attorney are going to wind up with as much as possible. The expenses are very much dependent on the state where you live and on the type of case that you have. You may have the need to hire experts such as doctors or engineers. Those types of things are expensive because you're paying them for their time, and that's going to increase the expenses on your case. On the other hand, you may have a case that is fairly straightforward, such as in a rear-ender motor vehicle collision, where you don't need those types of experts and you can often rely just on the medical records that are generated by your treatment. If you want to know more about the types of expenses or fees that might apply to your particular case, give us a call at Lawrence & Associates.